This is Sarvesh from SKS Tech, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to use your iPad or iPhone as a secondary display for your Mac or PC. So let's get started. So first of all, open this website, the link for which will be given in the description below, and download this software named Duet. So there are two options, you can download it either for Mac or for PC. This works on both. And the second is you have to download the Duet app from the App Store on your iPad or iPhone. This app is not available for Android devices. So after installing the app on your PC, open it and then connect your iPad to your PC with the lightning cable. So after connecting your iPad with your laptop with lightning cable, open the Duet app on your iPad or iPhone. It will say launching Duet. Then come back to your PC where you can select three settings. First is the frame rate. There are two options available. First is 60 fps and second is 30 fps. 60 fps is the best. Next is the performance, which should be set to high power, and the third option is resolution. So if you crank up the resolution, the image on your iPad will be cropped. So I suggest you to go with this resolution, and after this just minimize this window, and as you can see, the iPad has been transformed to the secondary display of the PC. So now if I minimize this window and drag this, it will appear on the iPad screen, as you can see. And now if I maximize it here, it will take up the full display. I can use the mouse as well here, and the best part about this that I can also use the touch screen of the iPad or iPhone. So this is the best part, that you are not wasting the touch screen available on these devices. So in theory, this iPad acts as a right hand display for your PC. The next thing you can do is this NetBeans Java application. So I can also drag this and drop it on this iPad screen. Again, maximize it and it will take up the whole screen. And you can also use the keyboard to type. So the next cool thing about it, that if you minimize this window from iPad and if you go to PC and open the window again, it will automatically open on the iPad screen as it was left there. So if you're watching a video of mine and you have to work on some project, you can use this. As you can see, this video is playing here on the PC's screen, and the NetBeans application is available on the iPad screen. So if you want to type something, just have to go to cursor, and as you can see, I am typing as well as the video is playing here. So guys, that's it for today's video. This video will be helpful for those people who have an iPad and want it to use as a secondary display for their Mac or PC. So do share this video with someone you know who want to use his iPad as a secondary display. Drop down a like if you like this video, and also don't forget to hit that subscribe button to ensure that you will never miss a video posted by SKS Tech. Thanks for watching this video. See you guys in the next one.